fun! Brace yourselves! You're about to see chaos at its finest. Today's episode will make you question everything. Truth time! Met coworkers like this? Let's jump in!
Ah, da kommt eine große, die fange ich. Aua.
You want to see some bullshit? Watch this.
Ah, the classic snow workout. Highly effective for losing your dignity. How lucky! Mother Nature was there to catch you. He finished the race, only to find himself back at the starting line.
Yo, I think I got a fight, bro.
Caught 0 fish, but successfully traded 1 phone for a lifetime of regret.
Okay, this is my first attempt at a reel, so bear with me on this one. Okay, temperatures this morning got so cold that I had to try the frozen.
Just want the best for you, and I think that you deserve the world. Thank you. So that's really all I want.
What the hell? Are you kidding me right now?
No?
I don't think anyone's going to touch this eggshell omelet.
That's disgusting.
Well, don't f***ing eat it.
Making dinner as a married couple.
Bruh.
No matter who you are, gravity is the ultimate equalizer.
Oh my god! What? That sucks so bad. Oh my god. Oh! That sucks so bad. That sucks.
It seems the sandbag decided it's time for a break.
So, wir machen jetzt Fehlerbehebung. Hier, Störung. So, Störung weg. Perfekt.
Here? Oh my god. Oh my. Look at this mess. Sorry. You're about to see perfect water flow.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah 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 yeah. Yeah 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 yeah.
I'm trying to pull up real close to my homeboy's truck. I still got like a foot or two. Let's see. Oh, that's not good. Let's go home.
He's fixing it into 1,000 tiny pieces.
Yo, what the frick? What the actual frick am I, bro? What?
Is it just me, or is this situation getting a bit wavy? So the world map is actually just a cat playing with a ball? What was the logic behind using a ruler for this?
A kurwa, co to jest? Ja pierdolę. Dziękuję.
Panowie, wyjebałem do rowu. Estamos viendo la ballena saltar.
She handled it like a wind got it.
Should we backfill today?
Oh my lord.
This hose will burst sooner or later. Look at that.
Okay, so I walked in the kitchen and this totally scared me.
Imagine looking out the window at 3 a.m. and seeing this.
It's for the boys. Wait, what's going on here?
Bro spawned in the wrong lobby.
Daddy? That's Daddy?
That's your reward for never skipping leg day.
Why does my neighbor have this at his house?
Nope. Nope.
Looking to catch it and gets the doink.
Bruh.
Head torch and he grabbed me round the knuckles.
Le volant braqué comme ça, j'ai mis deuxième, troisième, quatrième, cinquième, sixième, septième. Je dis bon Dieu, bon Dieu, bon Dieu, je vais passer très près du bouton électrique.
Oh, no, but I'm thinner, look.
Come on.
Look, I wouldn't get stuck.
Go on.
No, I wouldn't get stuck. Look at me go.
Mm? 4, 3.
It seems like she doesn't like this rope.
Are you taking a video or a picture?
Erstmal so langsam wieder in seinen Arbeitsbereich zurückkehren und dann. Jesus Maria, was ist denn da?
Yes, Jesus loves me for the.
Smile has left the chat.
Oh, here come the food right now. Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew he f***ed up.
Oh, man.
welcome me. I would have seen y'all niggas because I was outside.
Таня сейчас прыгать будет.
Oh shit, God! Whoa!
Ceiling fan said nope.
What the hell is that?
So just follow it with your eyes, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Bro switched to third person view.
I hope I get away with it. Oh, do da day.
Oh my God!
The season again. Woo! Shit.
Are we allowed to check it out inside?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Bruh.
Cake gone. Dreams shattered.
Oh my God!
Can I go down the slide?
Yes, one.
Oh my God, Nico!
Yeah, I saw on the chandelier and it brought the roof down.
Did they check you out? Were you banged?
Yeah.
And they said if you come back, you pay for something.
We gotta show what it's supposed to look like.
They said this was a bathroom. Where's the toilet? Oh, there it is. Where's the shower? Oh, there it is. And even a medicine cabinet.
Infinite meow.
كلني جي شنانك مش غير وقوس.
He's gonna do the blue one. Look at this. They put money by my tire because they want me to bend over so they can put goldfish up my butthole again and make me their snack that smiles back. But I'm not smiling back this time.
Oh no. The vet trusted the wrong driver.
David, danke für deinen Einsatz. Jesus Maria.
What?
Responding to an emergency created another one.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Cameraman, helpful. 10% laughter, 90%.
Oh, dude. Stop. Your one wheels are up.
Good.
Right there. Park it.
Bruh.
Duh.
Oh, it's my bad.
Nah, because I'm shoes, you know, like, I couldn't like think properly, like, fucking killing me. Same shoes, you know? That's all going on.
Oh!
What the hell is that?
Panneau biche comme ça, il n'y a jamais de biche. C'est juste histoire de prévenir au cas où. Oh punaise! Mais c'est quoi ce délire? Mais je rêve ou quoi?
Go this way, no.
No, I'm jumping off here.
Okay, good.
Bro, it's the feds, it's the feds, it's the feds. Boom.
What kind of technique is this?
Uh-oh, that's sliding. Oh! Loading! Oh, welcome to Brooklyn Boulders.
Bro was filming a dance, not a chase scene.
Then fuck, what the fuck is that? Ah! First, you do not say.
Yo, bro, knock knock. Cal says. Cal says. Cal says move.
This is the reaction I want when I send reels.
What are you doing?
He gets snapped on.
Stop walking so close. Do it. What the?
Mierda. Ta madre.
Looks like you actually do.
Hello, boss. Yeah, Michael. Bruh. I have a problem.
Johnny, как тебе такое?
Ну-ка.
Super duper cool trick shot. I'm going to bounce this TV off the trampoline and into the basketball hoop.
Take a break for deeply shower.
Nothing much. It's just right over here. Oh, you good, bro?
Dear basketball.
Ouch, I felt that.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Kas niin, Susukis on lasi ja pyyhkeet.
Nice.
Yeah, so all you gotta do is just put that fucking end in the water kind of thing, and just fire it off is all you gotta do.
Crazy.